What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Garage. Another episode of my Audi A4 B6 Avant Ultrasport. As from the previous video, you guys know that I bought this wagon. It's a rare edition to find it here in the States in manual with the 1.8T Quattro. So since I bought the car, pretty much I went through it and checked what's wrong, and I decided not to drive it until now that it's been sitting. So of course it needs to be refreshed, the timing belt. And other thing that is not working in the car is that the radio, it's not working, and I found out why. And you can turn it on, but it's not, the sound's not coming. So I found out that the amplifier, it's burned, and what I got a new amplifier. Of course I used one, but in a good working condition. I'm gonna install that one later today if I have time. And another thing is that in the trunk, when you open the trunk, right there, the triangle little packet, the little clip, it's broken. So I figured that out as well. As you guys see right here, this one, see the clip, I have it, but it was broken, so I bought the part. I just have to install it, so this one doesn't stay like that floppy. And of course the spare wheel was missing. Actually there is a spare wheel, but it's not from this car, so I bought a spare wheel. I just need to get a tire because the tire is not the correct size for this car. So as you guys see, that's the old amplifier. I bought a new used one and some other stuff. This is the cap for the rear wiper blade, and here are the clips for the little compartment just to stay close. So this is the one that you move. This is the actual part that it's broken, and I got this one. Basically it's the same one, just upgraded. Probably is a 3D printed, and I have to install that one as well. But the most important, because I want to drive the car, I wanted to pass inspection and emission. I wanted to do the timing belt, because when I inspected the timing belt looks like it's due. It's never been done. So the car has 113,000 miles, and this is what I bought. This is what I bought to do the timing. Of course I got a new thermostat, I'm gonna do that as well. And of course from the UCS tuning, I bought all the components. OEM water pump, because of course in the previous cars that I had, the same ones, I have problems with installing an aftermarket one. So this is the OEM water pump, valve cover gasket. What's here? This is a seal for the oil cap, the timing belt, a Continental big terrains. What's here? Crankshaft seal, that's for my other car. And these are the bearing, one of the bearings for the timing. Let's see, this is it, citation. It's another one. Let's see, that's this one here. Come on, get up. It's so hard, I don't hit it. Okay, that's this. This is the camshaft seals, both of them, oil filter. I got coolant, I'm missing the oil, but I'm gonna get the oil soon. It's still early to go get it from the AutoZone. So what else I got right here? I got a drive belt, and I got the idler pulley that I'm gonna replace it. Since I'm gonna have this in service position, I can replace all of them at the same time. So since I've done this many times on my channel, I'm just gonna do it real quick, and then once I'm already open, I'll show you guys how the timing belt looks and why I decided to do it. This is what I wanted to get done, so for me to continue driving the car. I don't want to risk it. If this is gonna break or snap, I'm gonna have a engine failure, so I don't want to do the head and the valves and all of this stuff. Alright guys, so I'm halfway open. I have the front end in the service position, as you guys see, so it can give me more room right here. Now I want to show you why I decided to replace the timing belt instead of keep driving it. So I just pulled out this cover after I got home when I got the car, And look at this, guys. See, this is loose. This is not supposed to be like that. I was lucky that I drove it home like that. As I can see right here, this tensioner, the hydraulic tensioner, I think it's already done. So this one moves, see, up and down. That's supposed to tension the belt. So I'm glad that I caught it right now, and I'm doing all this maintenance. So I'm halfway open through here. I gotta remove the valve cover as well because the cam seals I have to replace and the valve cover gasket. But yeah, this is what I decided. So from here, it's easy to access the thermostat as well. I'm gonna be removing the alternator, and then I should have access to the thermostat. All right, guys, so I have this open. Seals are already done. They changed, water pump is out. Looks like someone already did the water pump in this car because it looks like it's metal impeller. And look at it right here. I don't know what kind of silicone or something they put right here. But what would you do the water pump and you wouldn't do the timing belt? Because the belt, it's old, and the tensioners and everything. And this is the new pump. This is the OEM one. So this is what's going inside the car right now. So I moved on to the thermostat. I took out the alternator, and it's accessible, also the throttle body accessible more to take the thermostat out. So good thing that I got the thermostat, because I'm gonna show you guys how the thermostat came out right now. Here, see, this one was already leaking, probably seeping, not that leaking, but when I removed it, this piece got stuck in the hose from here. So this is out. Also, I wasn't remembering, but the J-plug, you need to do it when change the thermostat as well. So I haven't bought it, but I removed it because luckily I have one from ECS Tuning. I have one laying around, so I'm gonna change this one as well. And look, when I removed it, that's how it came apart. Where is the seal? The seal was here somewhere. Can't find it, but yeah, the seal is pretty bad. This is the seal from the thermostat. So thankfully I got the thermostat, and luckily that I have J-plug. If no, I would have been stuck with the car open until I would have bought this one. But yeah, now just gotta clean it right here and install everything together. I'm gonna do a little cleaning and install it. Alright guys, it's late already, so I finished up everything. I put the front bumper. Of course it's missing the lower lip. So everything is buttoned up, coolant is there. I put coolant straight to here so I don't have to bleed anymore. So now it's time to go start. Alright, so the car started, which that's really good. I'm happy to hear it running, and I'm happy that I've done the service. So guys, the car is ready. I'm heading home. It's already 12 midnight and it's time for me to go sleep. But there are some other issues that I have to pay attention to the car, which are the ABS light, brake light, and traction control. I have a code that it's talking about no power to the ABS pump. It could be that the ABS pump is out or something. I have to do some more research and I have to diagnose it more, and then I'll find out what's going on with the problem. What's the problem actually, and I'll let you guys know, and probably I'll make another video about that. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share with other friends that like Audis and subscribe to my channel. Peace.